this is Carl, and this is my final project for CS50. Now, what I have made is a classic snake game. Here when I start, it just gives me the instructions. Use the left and right keys to control the snake. Here, as we can see, it is just the classic snake game where it has to eat some food. To make this, I have used Python and the object-oriented programming. Now the snake itself is a class, and it is using turtles from the turtle library to control the how long it gets. Now the food over there is also another turtle that jumps around the screen whenever you eat it. And finally, I have another class here on the top, which is the scoreboard over here. Here I can keep track of the score and the high score. Now, to keep track of the high score, I am using a database. So basically, after a player here is done, for example, I will lose, and then I will crash against a wall. There are two ways to lose, as we remember the classic rules of this game. One is to touch yourself, the R, and the other one is to touch the wall. Now after the game is over, it will ask for your name. Here I will just leave it as guest, and when after I click OK, my score and my name will be recorded into the database. Then I have another dialog here with my score, and it is asking me if I want to play again. I can play again from the beginning. It will reset every time, but if I choose not to play again, I just need to click one more time, and immediately a scoreboard will come out. This is where I can see the top players with their highest score, and also the date when they got the highest score. So my name is Carl, and this was CS50.